Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you something that is actually gonna shock you, but you guys can see that there's snow on the ground. But it's not that. It's snowing again. For fuck's sake. It's snowing again, and it's windy and cold. I don't know. Let's go check my phone. Actually, forget it. I'm not gonna check it. Where's Doggy though? Hello. Just look at it. It's ridiculous. Hello. Say hi, buddy. Say hi. Say hi. No. Paul, say hi. Say hi, buddy. Hello. Give me Paul. 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 Good boy. Good boy. You're a good boy. Good boy. Hello. 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 Paul, say hi. Paul, you wanna go out? Paul, you wanna go out? Wag your tail. Wag your tail. Wag your tail. Paul, wag your tail. Paul, you wanna go out? You wanna go out? Wag your tail. Paul, wag. Wag. Okay. You don't have to. I love you though. Look at it. Look at this shit. Oh, there's a minivan going by. Look at this. Fucking ridiculous. I had to get my crowd. Oh shit. It's supposed to turn into rain, but I highly doubt that. Well, I covered this up, thank God, because this was blowing in cold air. Yep. It's snowing. I don't know what that is right there. Let's see if I can throw this at it. Oh, okay. It is a piece of snow. I actually hit it. I don't think I was gonna hit it. Wanna go out? Look at him wagging his tail. Oh, wag your tail. Say hi. Say hi. Hello, say hi. No? Okay, he doesn't want to say hi. That's okay. I love you though. I'm gonna show you what we have in these drawers. We have, I don't even know, but we have batteries here. A screwdriver, scissors. Well, no, sorry, I am actually missing some screwdrivers, as a matter of fact. Phillips head screwdrivers. Oh, I think I can use this. But I have to solder some LEDs onto some halos that I ordered. But peace out, guys.